Ever wonder how magnets actually work? Let's break down the mechanics of magnetism. At the heart of magnetism is the movement of tiny electric charges. Inside every atom, electrons are constantly spinning around the nucleus. These spinning electrons create small magnetic fields. In most materials, these fields cancel each other out, but in certain materials like iron, many of these tiny magnetic fields line up, creating a larger, more powerful magnetic field. Each magnet has two poles, a north and a south. These poles are fundamental to the magnet's behavior. Opposite poles attract each other, creating a strong bond while similar poles repel, pushing away from one another. This push and pull happens because magnetic fields either pull toward each other or push away, depending on how they're aligned. The interaction of these fields can be visualized using iron filings, which align themselves along the magnetic field lines, clearly showing the invisible forces at work. Magnets are fascinating in their simplicity and complexity. Then there's electromagnetism, a fundamental force of nature that plays a crucial role in our daily lives. When electricity flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around it, a phenomenon that is the basis for many modern technologies. Coil the wire, and you get an even stronger magnetic field. This is how electromagnets work. Electromagnets are used in various applications, from electric motors to MRI machines. The more current you pass through, the stronger the magnet becomes. This principle allows us to control the strength of electromagnets, making them incredibly versatile in both industrial and medical fields. So, whether it's the magnetic pull of the Earth, guiding compasses and affecting navigation, or the magnets on your fridge, holding up your favorite photos and notes, it all comes down to the alignment of tiny forces within the atoms, creating invisible yet powerful fields. Curious about more scientific wonders? There's so much more to explore and understand. Drop your questions in the comments and let's dive deeper into the mysteries of science together. I'll explain it all, breaking down complex ideas into simple, fascinating insights.